I read a story recently about a father who accidentally shot and killed his daughter while he was cleaning his gun. And these things are 100% avoidable. So let's talk about how you can prevent that sort of thing from happening. Every single time you touch a firearm, be it to clean the gun, be it at a range, be it at a gun store, it does not matter. You're going to say in your head, I'm picking up this firearm, keeping it pointed in a safe direction. I'm keeping my finger off the trigger, and I'm both going to look and feel. I'm going to verify that it is unloaded. I'm pointing the firearm in a safe direction. My finger's off the trigger. I'm verifying that it's unloaded. A safe direction is a concrete wall, a concrete floor, a sand bucket. If you're at the range, it's the berm, but it is not at a family member. I'm Thomas with Alpha Concepts. Be armed, be trained, and be alpha. And part of being alpha is being safe.